Maya is 18 years old. She loves the sea more than anything. Her home is in a small town near a big, beautiful beach. She thinks the sound of the waves is the best music in the world. One warm evening in summer, Maya goes for a walk on the beach. The sun is going down, and the sky is full of beautiful colors like orange, pink, and purple. Maya has a bag with her. Inside the bag, she has a sketchbook and some pencils. She loves to draw pictures of the beach. Today, Maya is not feeling very happy. She needs to make a special drawing for her art class. But she has no ideas. The big, white paper in her room is empty. It makes her feel worried. She hopes the beach can give her an idea. She walks for a long time. Then, she sees an old man. He is sitting on a big piece of wood near the water. He is not fishing. He is not reading. He is just looking at the sea. He looks very calm and peaceful. Maya is a little shy, but she wants to talk to him. She walks closer and says, "The sunset is beautiful today." The old man turns and smiles at her. His eyes are blue like the sea, and his face is friendly. "Yes, it is," he says. His voice is quiet and low. But wait. The moon tide is coming. It is a very special tide. Maya is curious. "What is a moon tide?" she asks. "It is the highest tide of the month," the man explains. "The ocean is very generous tonight. It gives back things it has taken." Maya sits down near the old man. His name is Silas. He tells her that he has lived in this town his whole life. He knows all the secrets of the sea. "People always look for things on the beach," Silas says. "But they only use their eyes. The sea gives its gifts to people who listen with their heart." Maya thinks about his words. Maybe she is looking too hard for an idea. Maybe she needs to stop looking and just listen. The sun disappears, and the moon comes out. It is a big, full moon. The moonlight makes a silver path on the water. The tide is very high. The water comes very close to them. Suddenly, Maya hears a new sound. It is a soft, musical sound, like little bells. Clink, clink, clink. It is the sound of many small things moving in the water. "Listen," Silas whispers. "The sea is sharing its memories." Maya looks down at the wet sand. In the moonlight, the sand is sparkling. There are hundreds of small, colorful pieces of sea glass. Green, blue, brown, and white. The tide has brought them to the beach. They look like jewels. Maya is amazed. She kneels down and picks up a piece of dark blue glass. It is smooth and beautiful. She thinks, where did this come from? Maybe from an old bottle. Or a ship from a long time ago. Each piece of glass has a story. A big smile comes to Maya's face. She looks at Silas. Her eyes are shining with excitement. "This is it," she says. "This is my idea. It's perfect." Silas smiles back. "I knew you would find it," he says. For her art project, Maya does not draw a picture of the sunset. Instead, she makes something new. She uses all the beautiful sea glass they collected. She glues the pieces onto a big canvas. She arranges them to look like a big ocean wave. The glass shines and sparkles. It looks like a real wave made of jewels and memories. She calls her project, The Moon's Gift. Maya learned something important that day. Sometimes, you don't need to look for ideas. You just need to be quiet and listen, and the world will give you a beautiful story.